Hello. Today in Cooking with Timmer, we're gonna do some macaroni and cheese. Now all you need is macaroni and cheese and probably some butter of some sort. You could also use imitation butter. I'm gonna be real with you, I can't taste the difference. Okay, first we're gonna get a pot, put water in it. I don't know how much water to put in. You just kind of guess. And we're gonna boil the water on a stovetop. Okay, once it's boiling, you can add the macaroni. One important thing to remember is that when you're adding the macaroni, don't put this in. That's bad. And every couple minutes you gotta stir it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Okay, so you cook it until it's like squishy and yummy. Okay, now we're gonna strain it. And give it a good little Make sure all the water's out of it. Okay, now we're gonna put it back in the bowl, or into this bowl for the first time. I'm gonna add a little butter. Okay. And this next step is really important. You don't add milk or water or anything to it. Just the packet. And you just gotta stir it up. You disperse the cheese throughout the macaroni. And there you have it. Macaroni and cheese, the Timmer way. Grainy.